Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to take out the money from USDT TRC20 wallet. So first thing you're going to need to do is open a wallet that supports TRC20. So in this case, we're going to be using Trust Wallet. So in here, you just have to select an exchange that supports TRC20, like this one. As you can see, it has Tron. So here, you're just going to have to tap on Send. And as you can see, it asks for the recipient address. So to provide for that, we're going to have to go to another wallet that supports TRC wallet. So in this case, we're going to be using Coinbase. I'm just going to turn this back. So in here, we're going to have to tap on Receive. Tap on that. And from here, we're gonna search for USDT since we're withdrawing USDT. So from here, you can just find any exchange that supports TRC20. So once you've found the exchange, we're just gonna have to copy the address and go back to Trust Wallet. Tap on Send and paste here the link that we have copied earlier. And from here, you just have to put here the amount that you wish to withdraw. You can also tap on Max if you wish to withdraw everything. And after that, you just have to check everything before you tap on Preview. And when you tap on Preview, you can be able to see the amount or the link address, and you can confirm everything is right. And then once you're done, you just have to confirm the transaction, and that's pretty it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!